Hey, this is James Myers with another episode of the Roofing Specialist. I want to welcome everybody and make sure that you subscribe to our page, like this video, comment, help us to get the word out, and you can share it on any platform. We would truly appreciate it. Our title of our teaching is going to be is it a scam to file an insurance claim? I don't know if you guys have heard of it. If you've been in the roofing game long enough, if you handle insurance restoration leads, then I'm sure you've heard it at least once or twice where someone said, "Oh, is it a scam or it's a scam or you guys are scammers because you're basically filing it under an insurance claim." Let's look a little deeper into this. All right. Hail damage comes in different sizes. You got pea size, 0.25, penny size, which is 0.75, 1 inch is quarter, 1.5 is ping pong, golf balls 1.75, tennis balls 2.5, and then 2.75 is baseball, and then you got 3, which is softball. But the thing is that it only takes up to 1 inch hail to cause damage. The quarter size hail will cause damage. I've replaced 50 roofs just with quarter size hail. 1.5, you've got some legitimate damage going on. Now, what hail damage does is once it hits the roof, it's going to knock those granules loose. As you see there, it leaves little circular indentations in the roof. And what's going to happen is once those granules have been displaced, they go in your gutters like you see on the right there, they're on the ground. And now you've lost the protection that's supposed to be on there to protect. Those granules are on your roof to protect it. The thing is that now what's going to happen is UV rays, the water, sunlight, all this stuff's going to break this down, and you're going to eventually have leaks. Shingles, this is what they're made up of. This is composition. They're only made up of surface granules, asphalt body or coating, base material, and a self-sealing strip. Basically, the granules are the only thing on that roof that are there to protect it. With the granules not there, you've now lost the layer of protection on that roof, and now you got a chance you could have serious leaks. That's why the insurance company owes for it. Now let's not get it twisted. Insurance companies are never going to pay more or pay if they don't want to do it, they're not going to do it. State Farm, they're the worst of the worst when it comes to the insurance claims because they don't want to pay for anything. Across the country, every roofer that you talk to that's in the insurance restoration field will tell you State Farm is the worst. Yet they've made $59.2 billion in revenue. Geico spends more than $1 billion a year in advertising. You think some small business like a roofing company like myself or someone else is going to go and they're going to get it one over on the insurance company? I don't think so. The insurance companies they take the gamble when they basically they sell policies to people. They take a gamble on whether it's going to be a storm. Most people don't even file a claim their whole life. So if you do have an issue like hail, then or wind or something like that, and you've got missing shingles, or you basically got hail hits to your roof, you should. It's not. That's what you pay for the insurance for. No, it's not a scam. And like I said, these insurance companies, $1 billion a year in advertising, they're monstrosities. They're huge. Some little roofing company like myself or any other roofing company in the country, there's not a roofing company that has that type of clout and that type of money anywhere that could compete with that. Yet people think it's a scam. It's not a scam. And like I said, if the granules have been displaced, you've lost the protection on the roof. Now the insurance companies owe for a new roof. Another thing is that some people will say, will my insurance cancel me or will my rates go up? Well, there's a couple things here. Your insurance could go up. Your rates could go up, not because you filed the claim, because they're supposed to act under what's called good faith. If you left the water running or you ran your car through the garage, then they could raise your rates because that's your fault. An act of God is something that you couldn't handle. It's not or something that wasn't your fault. So they're supposed to act under good faith and not raise your rates. Now, what would happen is that if say Myrtle's Inlet or Myrtle Beach gets hit with a hailstorm, and all these people are filing claims, then everybody's rates will go up because of the amount of claims going in. So it doesn't matter. You might as well file the claim because your rates are going to go up anyways if you've been hit by a storm. Now, I hope everybody would like this page. Make sure you comment, like this video, comment, share, subscribe to our page. Also, you can check us out at theroofingspecialist.online. Also, if you would like to discuss any of our roofing consulting, you can contact us at, actually, our new number is 843-602-6003 or at james@theroofingspecialist.online. Like I said, I hope everybody enjoyed this video and I hope everybody has a blessed day.